at the Grove, Los Angeles, California for the annual tree lighting ceremony. You can see the tippy top of it right here. Currently waiting to find out what exactly we're going to do and where we're actually supposed to go to see the tree lighting ceremony here at the Grove. There's really nobody telling us where to go as soon as we get in here, but it is beautiful. Welcome everybody, Explore with Teo here. I'm at the Grove here in Los Angeles, California, waiting for the tree lighting ceremony. As you can see before, it was a little bit crazy trying to get in here. You got people sitting having dinner in the way of people trying to get through. It's pretty interesting, but nonetheless, I am here and it is beautiful. Tonight's event's being brought to you by Hallmark. The people and their families taking photos. Very beautiful setup here tonight. Santa comes in 42 days. I'm not quite sure if he's here right now, but they've got his little hut here in the middle of the Grove. I think Frosty and his buddy, the gingerbread man, have showed up. Making their way through the crowd. For some reason I'm getting some strange vibes that Doc should be up there fixing that clock, sliding down, making sure that the time machine is all set up for Marty to go back to the future. But it's just a Nike store. People are really starting to pack in here at the Grove. I think they're even cutting some people off from entering over behind me. It's like they've invited a couple of Olympians here at the Grove. They're doing a formal introduction of the tree lighting ceremony. And you can't see them right now, but they're actually behind me on stage. We couldn't get access to it, but this is the best we can do. Can't really see it right now, but they got a drone show up here. This definitely says Merry Christmas. Formulating some snowflakes over there. Looks like David Foster showed up to get the party started. For those not familiar with David Foster, very well known in the music world. Snow's coming down. All right. Awesome. It has turned into winter at the Grove. Casey Slater himself, Mario Lopez, has showed up for the event.
Who's ready for the actual big man? Alright. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to count to 3, and then we're all going to yell Santa together. Okay? Y'all ready? Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Santa! There's Santa! Santa, what you doing up there?
We need you up here, Santa. I need to be wherever you want, but we really need you up here.
go.
Please join us and let's officially count down.
Here we go. Lighting of the Christmas tree at the Grove.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. All right. You can literally hear people so excited for the fireworks here. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for today. I got Coco with me. We're at the Grove. Merry Christmas, everybody. See you in future vlogs.